Hi and welcome, Kat from Sacred Soul Rising. So we are in new moon, and this is a new moon channeled message. This new moon is bringing in a whole different frequency. Shame and guilt is moving out. The false pillars that have been holding up false energy around your connection are now starting to crumble. They are crumbling away. What does this mean for you? Well, it means that you now, as you move into August, you are going to see those big shifts. You are going to see those big changes. But, and this is the big but, how are you working with this energy? How are you allowing this energy to move through you, to transform? I don't know if you've ever heard of Kali Ma. She's one of the beautiful goddesses, but she does not take any false light. She will not hold on to false light. She will eat false light up. And you often see Kali Ma as this beautiful goddess symbol, and she can look quite scary. She's always holding a head within her arm, within her hands. What does the head represent? And these are all symbolic meanings. It represents the ego. She is the slayer of the ego of the false light, the ego that keeps you trapped. And right now, this new moon is holding that head up. It has cut it off. The false light is gone, the false sense, the guilt, the shame. And this works for divine masculine as well, because divine masculine keeps themselves in the ego mind, feeling the guilt, feeling the shame, keeping themselves trapped over and over again in the vicious loop of cycling of Groundhog Day, when all they want to do is free off the shackles and set themselves free, move into their authentic truth, move into their soul light. And who is their soul light? Well, who is their soul? You, divine feminine. But what you need to do right now is not allow that mind and ego to tell you a story, to shift you into the false light, to keep you in that looping energy. This is about setting yourself free. Often on this journey, we keep ourselves locked in our gateless gate, in our prison with no bars in it, but we are keeping ourselves in there. Kali Ma right now comes to cut off all that ego and set yourself free. This next month, as we move into August, is a really powerful month for shifting massive timelines. But you have to be able to work with this energy. There's no good this energy coming in and you staying in mind and ego, you keeping yourself locked in that gateless gate, keeping yourself locked in the cage. You know, the divine masculine often feels like that trapped bird, but there are no bars in the cage. It is their mind and ego that keeps them trapped there. It is only when that heart chakra fully opens and they start to align with their authentic truth do they realize they can fly. They can fly. They have freedom. They can go to whatever blossoming, beautiful flower they need to. And who is their flower? Divine feminine. That is where their true north is. That is where their heart lies. That is where their heart vibration is. So what can you do? Well, starting on the 1st of August, so in a few days' time, we have got another 30-day boot camp. This is where every single day I will support you in shifting on this journey. I support you every single day with step by step processes of how you detox from that crazy toxic energy, how you move out of mind and ego, how you fully surrender, how you shift into soul, how you become magnetic, and how you start to magnetize divine masculine back in on a soul frequency. You bring down the energetic wall, and when you bring down the energetic wall, the energy and the frequency between you becomes magnetic. It's all on my website, catsacredsoul.com. It is our new website. Our course is there. It's designed to help you shift out of the pain, help you shift out of the looping, bring back your power, bring back what this truth of the journey is, so you get out of all that toxic energy. There's a lot of information, there's a lot of new technology online that isn't created from souls, that isn't created from heart, from living people. It is created and generated by a machine, and sometimes that machine can keep you looping, keep you wanting that golden carrot that is constantly just dangled in front of you. And yes, it may feel satisfying to the mind and ego, but actually it is not helping you on this journey. This journey is about you coming into your sovereignty, not about waiting, not about being impatient, but about reclaiming your light, reclaiming your energy, divine feminine, and being that lighthouse, being that way shower. This journey awoke you. This journey is a journey of remembering so you can come into your divine sovereignty. It's not about staying broken on the floor. Yes, initially you will feel broken as you are shifting from that very dense, heavy way, carbon way of living into that soul-led way of living, into that multidimensional being. That is why the soul is calling you. That is why you get all those soul gifts where you know and feel things way beyond this physical form. It's why you are constantly being guided on this journey, but you have a choice. Stay in the low vibration, keep repeating the pattern, stay in separation, stay in pain, or if you are ready to shift, 30-day detox starts. We go deep into what detoxing is, step by step. Every single day I show you. You can join me live on our live calls every single week. You can ask questions, you can get support. There's no need to feel alone on this journey. And as soon as you join, you get access to over a year's worth of really deep coaching to get you to shift, to get you to feel empowered, to see that this journey was the biggest gift, and to show you how to align with soul. This journey is about alignment. It is not about chasing. It is not about toxic energy. It is not about staying stuck and feeling alone and feeling abandoned. It is about knowing that this journey is all about soul alignment. And you, divine feminine, well, you lead the soul alignment. As you shift, divine masculine shifts. I hope this helps. Go and check out my website. There's so much information on there to help and support you on this journey so you no longer have to stay in that suffering. catsacredsoul.com. I send you much love. Have a blessed day.